Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I am somewhere different today. I'm so excited because I am on an 8-day-long cruise to the Caribbean and you're coming along with me. We're going to have so much fun. We are on the Carnival Sunshine. Now, none of these videos are sponsored. I'm just going on vacation and making videos, but you'll still get a great look at what it's like to be on board. Alright, so this is the stateroom that we're in. Wanted to show you guys around. So here is the entrance. So you walk in here, we got the bathroom in here. This little small cruise bathroom. Walk in, we got 2 bunk beds for me and my brother. Whew. Whew. A king bed. Right out there. The water. Alright, so it's our first day on the boat. We just set sail, just went through the safety briefing, all that boring stuff. So now we get to enjoy the fun stuff. I get to start drinking. So let's take a look around and see what we got going on in this boat. Let's go. Or I could stay here and watch Mulan. No, let's go enjoy the boat.
Alone. I have the best team on the 7 seas. So Carnival Sunshine, please make some noise for your fun squad and Unity! Knees up! 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 Everybody get your knees up. Let's go! Let's go! Put your hands up in the air. Hands up and wave. And wave. Help me. It's like, soon. Thank you. Oh, you saved me. Give her a nice big cheer. Mr. Russell.
It's day 2 and it's raining outside, so a lot of the events have been moved inside, but still gonna have a good time. We can have fun in the rain.